Sana hago bonali, but let's go home. I feel like the first part of this vlog, and I'm not gonna like that when I'm editing. Regular the phone, guys, because wow. Wow. Anyways, I'm going home. I'm not yet done. I'm gonna study a little bit more when I get home. I'm just done with what I came to do here at school, which was basically a group project.
Sunlight spills on the window. The aroma of coffee fills the air. Lazy cat is curled up on the sofa. Time passes so slowly as if it were hidden away. Wind gently blew across the face. Pleasant melody lingers softly in the ear. All the trouble are taken away at this moment. Oh, my Sunday, no worries but only niceness. Oh, my Sunday, as if world stands still. Only my heartbeat could be heard. Smile and laugh heartily all by myself. The sound of pages on the table being turned by the wind. The casual.
Hi guys, I'm on my way to school. It's my bestie's birthday today. I'm calling me Susana. I wanted to do like a cute surprise for her. Try to get to know her about so that I can surprise her, but she hasn't responded. So I'm going to school so that I can continue with my day. I think she wanted to do a solo situation. So I'm gonna allow her the space and the time. Hi guys, I'm done my tea. Let's go home. Guys, I forgot that we have prayer, so I have to stay behind. I have to stay behind because we have prayer, so I'm gonna go look for something light to eat, because I'll eat when I get home, but something light because I haven't eaten since morning. Yeah, maybe like a donut or pie. I'll see what's available. Go and cash, get some money, go ATM. So yeah, prayer is at 7. It's currently past 6, so I have an hour left.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hi guys, I hope that you'll be able to see me. Yeah, there we go. There's a car passing by. Anyways, I went to student center. So I was on a call with girlies. That's why I couldn't vlog for you guys. Waiting for the girlies to arrive so that we can begin riba cashing. I'm really looking forward to it, guys. It's always a good time. Mind you, we're not even friends. We don't know each other. We only know each other's first names. But when we gather together to pray, we eat. What a beautiful prayer session. So now my in-driver is here. I need to rush, but it was very nice. I met some new people. Oh, hey. Das ist auch gewonnen school.
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see, nothing top down. Lord, it's for tomorrow. We ain't living right now. So let's not waste another day. So hard I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Man, he's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your wedding going back.
Oh, he's able. I don't give up on God, 'cause he won't give up on you. He's able. Hi guys, good morning. It is a Friday today. I am going to meet my in-drive halfway because so he can't pass through to the side. Actually, he can use a different route. He can use a different route, Kesana, but the problem is it's not direction is a thing. It's a thing of if you know, you know. So I'm just walking so that I can meet him. I have a lab this morning and that's all that I have. So I have a lot of time to like log in because I don't have lessons at all. Okay, here he is. Yeah, goodbye guys. Let's go to school. Guys, I want to share something with you, but I'm afraid I'm going to be shy to speak in public because people are passing here and they're going to look at me like, bro, what are you doing? But just to be quick, right, God has been teaching me something about consistency, and it started off as when he was telling me that he does not reward intensity but he rewards consistency, and I was just be like, bruh, what are you saying? What are you saying? And he explained that basically this was with regards to school, and he just convicted me and just corrected me that I don't like the way you be moving with your studies, you know, because you have days where you don't study completely, and that could be like 2 days or 3 days, and then you have 2 days straight where you can be like studying for 8 hours in one day. That's not good. It's not sufficient. That's why it's like you don't understand and comprehend information well, right? And that's when he told me consistency, and it's something I've been trying to apply as of late, but it's been difficult, to be honest with you. That's why yesterday I even slept and I had to wake up at 12 and pray for the Lord to give me strength, to give me the zeal to study, because I just felt like sleeping in. This weather is not making things any easier, guys. It's cold. All I want to do is Netflix and chill. Okay, all I want to do is Netflix and chill, but I can't afford that. I'm writing a test 2 tomorrow, maths test 3 actually, but it's currently the test 2 season. It's just that maths or 3 papers. Yeah. What else did I want to say? Yes, so consistency is showing up daily, even if you don't show up in the same way. Like certain days you can do reviews, lesson reviews only. Certain days you can actually like be studying. Certain days you can study and revise. So yeah, that's just like my advice to you guys in case you're struggling with being consistent is showing up every day and doing something instead of just giving in and not doing anything at all, right? Yesterday I did this morning, but it was yesterday basically, more nice yesterday, but it was this morning. I studied 4 hours. The day before it was 2 hours, so it just depends. The day from 9 I had a session at the library from 2 to 6. But what I'm basically saying is some days I study for long hours, some days it's for short hours, depending for how drained are you or how strained are you. So yeah, my advice to you is try to have a schedule, try to have systems in place, and a time where you are constantly studying. Right now I'm done with my lab and I'm going to the library after this so that I can log in until 6. That way when I get home, Sana, I can still have the luxury to have a little bit more of resting time before I get back to study, because I still need to study. It's not going to be enough, especially for like tomorrow's test. There's still a couple of questions that I still want to go through, and our tutor sent questions this morning as well. He sent questions for us to practice, but I still want to practice the ones we did in class first, and then I get to those. So I'll do that today, go library, and then right now go library. It's currently 1. I'm done with my lab, so yeah, and then 2 to 6 I'll be at the library. Goodbye. Guys, look at my muffin. These are so cheap. and very nice. This is cooler, by the way. Like, oh my goodness, fresh. The amount of sugar I've put in my system this week without exercising is really concerning. But I make sure that I get in my 10K steps. That one is for sure. I'm done, guys. Let's go to the library.
Something about your love's got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. Forgot to love this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray to you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I won't run.